Hello everybody. It's been a while since I haven't done a video, but I've decided that I should do one. So today's video is going to consist of two different things. We can say that. So I'm going to be comparing the Fcast to the Amazon Fire Stick. The Fcast is more like a Chromecast, but a cheaper version of it, and the Amazon Fire Stick is the Amazon Fire Stick. So these products come differently. The Fcast comes like this. You have the main this, which is like the Chromecast, and when you plug it in your television, which I'll show you later on, you plug this USB-B cable in it, and then you have two different things. You have a Wi-Fi receiver, and you have a USB cable which you can plug in the back of your television so that you get power to the Fcast. So that's the Fcast, that's how it's set up. Now the Amazon Fire TV Stick is a bit different. You have the TV stick itself, and then you plug a normal micro USB cable in it, which you then have to plug into a wall adapter. So that's one of the inconvenience with the Amazon Fire TV Stick. You can plug the USB cable in the back of the television, but it's not enough power to keep this running. So you have to plug it into the mains, which I find a bit of a hassle. The Amazon Fire TV Stick also comes with a remote. That's not much to talk about really. So now I'm going to talk about the Fcast, because the Amazon Fire TV Stick, it's like a Roku basically. I can show you guys what it does, but it's not much. So I'm going now to show you how to set up the Fcast, which is also called the Yahoo 1080p HDMI. So let's move on to the setup. Right, so now you can see the sorry about that. You can see how the Fcast is set up. So you plug this into the back of your television, HDMI. Oh, and by the way, if you have a telly with any SCART ports, you can't get this. So then what you do, you get this cable, and you plug it into there. And then the Wi-Fi receiver, okay, you want to either move it closer to your router or put it in front of the screen. So that's how the Fcast is set up. In a minute I'll show you how to set it up. Right, so now to set it up, we can see that it says to enter your smartphone's tablet's Wi-Fi settings and find the SSID and connect with it. So that's what I'm going to do right now on my phone. Right, so to do this, sorry about that. To do this, if you have a good smartphone, you can either do it via your smart view, and so as you can see, it is working. You can see that it is perfectly working because it is taking a video of the telly, of the telly, of the telly, of the telly, and so on, so on. So that's working. that's what it does. So now that you are connected, you can use YouTube, for example, and you can mirror it to the screen. So I'm just going to do that right now, but I can't because I'm using my phone. So what I will have to do is use my laptop. So let's just wait a minute and let's do this. So now you can see that I've managed to cast my laptop to my television. To do that, all you have to do is go into your settings and write duplicate or extend screen. So let me just show you that right now. Duplicate or extend to a connected display, and once you have this, you scroll down and you either connect to a wireless display, which you should do, and you should be able to do it. And as you can see, it is on my television as well. So now I'm going to try and show you guys a video to show you that it does cast video to the television. Oh, come on. The blue deck comes with a bicycle card like this. There's back as well. So you can see that that is working a treat. So if you have a normal television and you want to make it into a smart television, this is how you can do it. So don't forget to check out my channel. It's Dr. Tom. You can subscribe if you want, but if you don't want to, it's alright. So that is how to set up a Fcast. So now I'm going to show you how to set up the Amazon Fire TV stick. Right, so I've just plugged in the Amazon Fire TV stick, so it's just going to start up. I haven't linked an account to it yet, so this is how it's set up. They give you an extra cord, like this, an extra HDMI cord, which you plug in the back of your television, because this stick won't plug in straight away because it's too big. So then what you do, you give it some power and then you're ready to go. And then when you have set it up, it will ask to connect to a Wi-Fi network, and from there you just set up your Amazon account, and then you have apps already pre-installed on it, but you don't need to cast. But you can cast to it, but this is more of, for example, of a Samsung smart television once you plug in the Amazon Fire TV stick, because it already has the apps installed. Whereas the Fcast, it mirrors your phone, laptop or whatever to your television, which I'm not sure that the Amazon Fire TV stick does, but I think it does if you download an app. So, but I reckon that the Fcast has got a much better quality because that's what it's designed for. And another problem that you will find with the Amazon TV stick is that sometimes it will say that there's no Wi-Fi. And the reason for that is because it is not close to the router. Whereas the Fcast has this Wi-Fi receiver, which you can put anywhere in front of the telly. I watched a video the other day, and a guy said that to have the best Wi-Fi connection for an Amazon TV stick or a Chromecast was to put it in front of the television. So I did so because the Fcast was buffering a bit. So I put the Wi-Fi receiver in front of the television and it was working much better. So if you do want to have a better Wi-Fi connection, I do recommend you get a longer HDMI cord for your Amazon TV stick. I've tried putting two together, but it's not long enough. So you have to get about a 30cm one at least, just to place your Amazon TV stick in front. So that's going to be it. My thoughts about the Amazon TV stick is it's good. It's good if you like watching Netflix. You can see already the apps that you can get on it. It's good, it's alright, but you need a good Wi-Fi connection for this. Whereas the Fcast is alright even if you have a bad Wi-Fi connection. I've tried this, and the Fcast is much better with Wi-Fi connection than the Amazon TV stick, because the Amazon TV stick needs a lot of Wi-Fi. So my thoughts about this: the Fcast is much better than the Amazon TV stick, and not only that, it is about £25 cheaper than the Amazon TV stick, or 25-30ish. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to check out my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.